Each day has a gift to give, small ones and great ones too. Enjoy each moment as it is a fantabulous bouquet prepared just for you.
Yes, Krishna, we the students of class 5th B, with love in our hearts and good wishes for everyone, pray to Lord Kana this Janmashtami that he may steal all your tensions and worries and shower his blessings upon you.
There was a time when the burden of the sins committed by the kings became unbearable for the Mother Earth. She approached Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, for help. Brahma in turn prayed to Lord Vishnu, the Supreme One, for the same. Lord Vishnu accepted Brahma's prayer, assuring that he would arrive in form of human soon and rid Mother Earth of her tyrants.
यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनाम् विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
श्लोक का वर्णन महाभारत में भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने किया था जब अर्जुन ने कुरुक्षेत्र में युद्ध करने से मना किया था। Lord Krishna says, I have been arriving and will arrive every time when the evil gets an upper hand over the fair and good. I shall come to protect the noble-hearted from those who are evil. I shall come back in every age and era to re-establish the rule of truth. The sky over Mathura was glowing bright. It was a beautiful evening. The people of Mathura were celebrating the wedding of their ruler, Ugrasen's daughter. Evil Kans was in good spirits of her sister's wedding. Suddenly lightning struck across the sky. The thunderstorm was followed by a voice from the sky.
Oh, evil cunts! Stop torturing the messengers of God! Do you think no voice will be raised against your evil deeds? Your downfall will be brought by one born in your own house. Devki's eighth son will lead you to the doors of Yamraj. Your end is near.
Kans heard the prediction. He ran towards Devki with a sword in his hand to end her life, but Vasudev said,
Stop, Kans. To kill a woman is a sin. Do not commit a sin.
Kans dropped his sword. Devki and Vasudev were in prison. Kans became the king of Mathura after imprisoning his family. As a result, injustice rained down on the people of Mathura. Year passed by. Devki gave birth to the first son. On learning this, Kans rushed to the prison. He lifted the helpless child and flung him onto a stone and killed it. Devki and Vasudev went silent. This way, Kans murdered her sons one by one. Devaki was now expecting 8 children. It was Ashtami.
It was raining heavily. The guards of the prison were sleeping. Devaki gave birth to a beautiful baby at the stroke of midnight. There was a sparkle in the child's eyes, and he had a naughty smile on his lips. Tears welled down the parents' eyes.
No, the word escaped from Vasudev's lips. He said, Devaki, we must save the child. We have to save him. Lord Vishnu, please show us the way.
Just then the chains binding them fell away from their hands. The door of the prison opened by themselves. Vasudev took the child and left Mathura.
He quickly reached the bank of river Yamuna and placed the child in one of the baskets and lifted it up to his head. He stepped into the water and started moving. Instantly, the water level started falling down. Suddenly, Vasudev saw a snake coming toward him. He got scared. The snake came close by and in the human voice said,
O Vasudev, do not fear. I have come to protect the Lord Sri Krishna.
Yashoda had given birth to a baby girl. Vasudev replaced Lord Shri Krishna with the baby girl. Then he returned Mathura. As soon as Vasudev entered the prison, the door shut by themselves and the chains bound him. The baby girl started crying. The cry woke the guards. Kans reached there and snatched the baby. When he was about to throw the baby on the ground, she vanished. With a sound, she appeared as a goddess of lightning and said,
O evil Kans, your destroyer is being raised in Gokul.
The lightning then disappeared. Kans stood there shocked. He kept staring at the sky.
meant to rejoice, special moments with the loved ones. And hidden behind every festival is a message. The birth of Lord Krishna also marks the victory of good over evil. On this holy day, I offer my prayers in the name of Krishna and wish that may the divine times of his flute fill everyone's life with joy. Happy Janmashtami.